We're back at AOAA today, which is not unusual, but I've got a special guest today.
Good morning, everyone.
My daughter Sarah, and she's going to take the Off-Road Consulting 101 class today and learn a little bit about going off-road.
Yeah, should be a good time.
You excited? Yeah? Okay, cool.
Who doesn't like going out in the woods, having some fun? Yeah.
Exactly.
Always be pointing directly up or down as much as I can. This is a downhill where I'm very comfortable being just in first gear going down and maybe tapping my brakes from time to time. All right, Sarah, Sam's in a safe place. Come on down. I think that's Richard behind Sarah. Richard, you can come on down whenever you're ready.
So what are we doing here?
We're deflating the tires before we head on back on the trail.
And why are we doing it?
To make it easier to get over the rocks.
Now, come on. Okay, now come back over this way. Sit down. Keep going like that.
Good. Straight ahead. Full gas. Gas. There you go.
So we just finished up the off-road consulting 101 class out here. Sarah, how did today go?
Pretty well. I think it was a good time.
Was it pretty much what you expected?
Yeah, I think so. A lot of crawling on some rocks, going through some mud. Yeah, good time.
Well, Sarah did great. She learned a bit more about what the vehicle will do and how she can drive off-road. And it was another fantastic day here at AOAA. So thanks, everybody.
Pull our line together
Turn your
and
side,
start
turn
to
your
air
side.
down.
Okay.
Your handout, if you had a chance to look at it this morning,
Okay.
recommends